Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add Arbitrum to Trust Wallet. For that, you will have to launch your web browser in your PC or in your mobile device, and in the search bar, you simply need to type coinmarketcap.com. This will land you on the official website of CoinMarketCap, where you need to use this search bar in the top right hand corner of the screen, and you need to search for Arbitrum. Now, once you are able to find the chart of Arbitrum, in the left hand side you are going to see its contract address as well. So you need to click on copy in order to copy Arbitrum's contract address. After that, you need to hover over to the top, and then you need to click on your Trust Wallet extension. Over here you are going to see this search icon in the top, so you need to click on this search icon, and after that you need to click on this plus icon in the top right hand corner of the screen. Then you need to select the token network, which in our case is Arbitrum. So you need to select Arbitrum, and then you need to paste the address that you have just copied. Afterwards, it will show you Arbitrum and its symbol. So you will have to click on add token in the bottom, and this way Arbitrum token will be added in your Trust wallet successfully. If the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.